Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. The US stock market opened slightly in the green today, so if we can uphold that momentum, Bitcoin could push a little bit higher in its B wave and reach here the green target area. It's not necessarily a target area, it's more an area where I indicated that a B wave it could get into, looking at the subwave structure of the B wave, which is between the 1-to-1 ratio and the 1.618 extension of the A wave. But I mentioned as well in the previous video that the absolute minimum what you would expect in a C wave, here the 61.8% extension at 21.1k was already reached. Now it all depends on if we break above this resistance here, which as it currently stands, we might very well be doing because we are already above the 88.7% fib. That indicates we should also push higher here. The question is just, can we break above this trend line where we reacted already to twice? So if we get to that trend line, we might reach 21.3. The target range for the C wave starts at 21.4k. So let's see if we get there. All of that could just be part of a corrective wave structure. In fact, that's what I expect. We have certainly come down far enough already here to complete the wave 4. My preferred outcome, however, is that we are going to go lower still in wave 4. The reason is that it would be very fast for a wave 4 to complete like this, especially given how strong the move up was. Yeah, to just get a wave 4 that was just a dip, it's unlikely, especially if it only reached the 23.6% fib level, was bought up immediately. They often are filled, those wicks. So let's see if we get there. That would be my my preferred outcome, that we still get another C wave down, just to get a bit of a clearer correction. Also, the move up currently rather looks corrective. It doesn't really look impulsive. However, we've done enough, to complete this wave 4. We need to say that as well. Yeah, we hit here the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement of this wave 3. Let's just show that again, what the support area is defined, or how it is defined. Here between the 20,400 level, we reached that all the way down to, first of all, 18,990, but I have included this lower price there as well at 18,650, because there's a bit of, it's unclear if the wave 3 finished here or here, and I don't want to tell you it finished here and it impacts the fib levels and might actually have finished here and you set your stop loss wrong. So I would rather keep it a little bit flexible here in this current scenario. And also usually a wave 4 is a little bit boring, so that is already over. I can't just visualize it yet, but if we get an impulsive breakout above this sort of, first of all, certainly above 21,660, that would indicate that the wave 5 has started. But really, you could really only tell if we break above this green box, so around 21.9k. and take us outside of this wedge, which when we get there might actually be around 22k. So these are all levels of confirmation. I think above 22k you should be safe in terms of saying that yes, we are moving up and could then reach here these higher levels up there around 23.7k. But yeah, as we speak, we are just about to break here this resistance. You will see, and you will know if we break it when you watch the video, because by then it might have happened already. It is technically possible this B wave finished here as well, then earlier than I would say expected the move down starts, but that would still be the preferred scenario to get into this area. Again, to highlight once more, we've got the 200-day moving average here in the area that's at around 19.6k. Would be great to see that C wave come down. The C wave would move in 5 waves, and then the C wave down could hit this level, because it depends obviously on how high the B wave goes. But in terms of target for the the target for the C wave, we can measure the length of the A wave, and depends on how high we go, right? But let's say we get somewhere to around 21.6k here into the green area, then the 1.618 extension of the A wave would sit directly around the 200-day moving average. Retesting it from above would certainly be bullish enough, in my opinion, to provide here the upside momentum for that 5th wave. But other than that, not too much has happened in the market. It might become a boring weekend. Hopefully not. Last weekend was quite interesting. But yeah, who knows? If it's a wave 4, it might very well take a little bit longer into next week to play out. And then bear in mind, end of, I think it's next week. I think Friday next week. Would need to verify that. But I think Friday next week we've got the core PCE data. That might lead to more volatility. And then on the 3rd of February, we've got the FOMC rate decision. That will be interesting. And also it seems like the Genesis bankruptcy filing hasn't really impacted the market. I think a lot of it was already priced in. The market did expect it already. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.